What am I doing? This Niger Gamer here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use a Discord server. Now, a lot of us are new to Discord, or might some of us haven't heard of Discord before. So I'm going to show you guys on how to use it and how you can really enjoy it. Now, this I love Discord servers. We have Nick N, the streamer. We have Cream6, another Call of Duty player. We have PUBG Africa, Absolver, YouTube, and a lot of different Discord servers. Now, this is our own Discord server team, Niger Gamer. When you join, you'll be taken to this room, which is the welcome room. You will see a lot of information here. Make sure you go through it and read everything. Now, in the Discord server, there are many rooms you can chat in. This is the info. These are some info rooms which I upload when I upload the video and announcements. If I have any tournament to show, I will be doing some weekly 2K, PUBG, and Fortnite tournaments. If you think you can handle the PUBG players and organize nice little tournaments, make sure you DM me or send me a message or comment. I'm trying to look for someone that will do that. Send me a message in the Discord server, right? Now we have the main lobby here, which is where everyone can chat, everyone can talk about different things, different games, and stuff like that. We have the PUBG room, which is focused on PUBG players. You guys that are PUBG players, you can be here and do your thing. We have the anime room for animes and stuff like that. Then we have the memes room. There's a bot here called the dank meme bot. It allows you to do a lot of different kind of things. For example, let's do one simple thing. Just write, please abandon aban, abandon PUBG. See, it will drop a funny meme here showing a baby, fire talking to the baby say PUBG, choose the baby away. And then we have the Fortnite room here where you guys can chat about Fortnite and everything Fortnite. We have the self promotion room here, where you can post links about anything you're doing or any video you're making, if you're a YouTuber or anything. This is where you come and post your links. Do not post it in any other rooms, if not you'll be removed. And the Power Rangers bot will warn you that you only have three chances. If you commit three offenses, it will mute you from the server for a while. So make sure you put your links here about anything you're doing or stuff like that. You can self promote yourself here. It's totally free. The rated 18 rooms only enter here if you're above 18. No, do not open this room in public. Oh, I will not be held accountable for anything that happens in this room. Oh, I don't tell you now. Then we have the music room. If you want to listen to music, a lot of people have been asking that. You just come over to the listen to music room here. You see, it's a voice room. You just click into it, you connect to it, and you're inside. Look at me now. I'm inside it. I'm not even supposed to be talking. I'm inside the room now. Now, if I want to play music, I'll just go to the request for music room here. And when I get here, I will just put play me a song. I'll put this command, exclamation mark, then play. Then you now type the name of the song. Justin Bieber Baby, because we're about that life. Play Justin Bieber Baby. We search it and we add it to the queue. So it's adding it to the queue because other people have also put their songs. So if you're five people that request for song, if we put it in a queue, 5 songs to play, and we'll play each one after the other. So you can just come here and request for a song to be played for you. It will show you position it is on the queue and it will play. So let me just play the current one going on right now. Ah! So I'm pausing it right now. So you see, it's very easy to use, very fun to use. So you can just connect to listen to music room and just be listening to music while you're chatting and doing different kind of things. You can even leave Discord and doing other things and still listening to music. So make sure you connect to this room and listen to music. Then we have the gamers voice chat. If you want to talk to other gamers online, you can always come to gamers voice chat, connect to it, just enter it, and then you can talk with other people. You can chat and say different kind of things. Then we have the meme sounds. If you connect to this room, you can just go to the memes room, connect to this sound rooms, right? Go to the memes room and tell the meme bot, please sounds. Okay, no, please sounds. No. What's going on, bot? Please help. Help my life. Please. Okay, please help sound. Okay, so you now tell it, please bass boost premium. What the? please me music. So now you see it will start playing the sound, the meme sound. uh so So you see, it's very easy to use. Listen to music room, the meme sounds, they're all very easy to use. So make sure you join. Make sure you come and chat here. The day I will be closing the WhatsApp groups, I will do a very big giveaway on the Discord server, so everyone can come here and enjoy. So if you have any questions, still make sure you send me messages on the comments. If you want me to explain on how to use the bots very very well, just tell me in the comments. Leave a like on the video, and then I might make a separate video on how to use the bots in the Discord server very very well. Okay, so make sure you join. I'll see you guys later.